morning, people. People, we have a river. We have a pot out there walking. The pot is carried. What do we need more than a river and a pot? Well, we need to catch the food. So, or grab, I don't know, maybe there's busu, maybe there's crayfish, maybe there is, I don't know, guys. Anyway, we're by the river and I'm excited. It's early morning. Beautiful. I love it. So last time I came here, well, I don't know if by this time I'm uploading this video is gonna be up or not. So I'm not gonna referring to the last video because it's not up yet, and this video might come out first. Anyways, I've been here before, but at that time I did not know about this place, so there was no cooking going on. But this time, cooking on. Ah, this is so beautiful. So it's my birthday today, and so that's the birthday river bush, and me, the assistant chef, going help cooking. Yes, it's just a river vibe. I love spend my weekends in the jungle. It's one of my new favorite locations. Water cold. I don't know what food I want to catch in there. It better jump out into the pot by itself. Alright.
Oh, paradise. Natural fire.
Yeah, people, little fire is coming on. Nice, lovely, lovely, lovely. Alright, let's see if I can fly through the house. Seems there's an airport actually nearby, so I'm not sure if this will work. Guys, the assistant chef is just waiting for instructions. The assistant chef is just waiting for instructions. But in the meantime, I'm trying to give you people some nice scenic shots. My drone is not working. slipper or mommy lobster. Nice, what you were suggesting on there?
No, in Cargill. Is that nice of the setting?
You will know that video you did show that. Looks like one really nice. Yeah, and it has a vibe, man. It's a little cave looking thing. Really look like a slipper.
It's too small.
What?
Very
I can eat it. But I also can eat a little. I know these with no eating. Yo, where is it to go diving? Big chef, this looks so cute. Hey.
That should be enough.
That's what's up at early. Yeah, what? It's your birthday? Do whatever you want. Happy birthday! Cheers! River birthday bash, yes. We soon going for some busu.
Bussu, hopefully some crayfish.
Hopefully some crayfish.
Yeah.
So we
start
get a
cooking
rich
too.
soup.
Red house.
Red house?
Red house. It sounds funny, right?
Red house.
Red house.
You call it red house? Ah, Jamaica. So that's the red house over there. I mean. So what am I then? Mermaid.
Mermaid.
But this is actually now one of my favorite river spots here. Yeah. This is really cool. Red house joining you. Yes, appetizer is ready. Very good. People, let's see what's going on here. Ay. Hot, 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 hot. Yeah, chef. Nice, people. My appetizer lobster here for breakfast. Yeah, man, there's a vibe. This seasoning good. Yeah. We're rich. We have lobster for breakfast. Yeah. I don't know. Because I know it's a delicacy overseas. And not cheap. I wonder if the slipper lobster tastes nice like this one. No, that's a slipper. Huh? That ugly thing? With his red leg?
Yeah, all of them get red when they're I'll show you.
The slipper too? Yeah. Slipper thing tricked me. Mommy. Mommy. Oh yes. Approved, certified. Nice. What do you call it again?
Perch.
Perch.
But,
Fish fly from the sky. Catch and cook. And it will go right on the fire. Cannot get fresher than this river fire.
Ready to go.
Best. That's so good. I like your seasoning mix here. The garlic and the scallion and then other mix up thing. The fish seasoning.
No better way than natural.
Natural. Yeah, people, you're here by the river. Beautiful place. I wish you guys could be here and see this magical place here. Tree, and there's this big nice rock in the river. So I'm just gonna have this lobster for breakfast before we go. See if we can find some busu. Yeah. So what time is the party crowd coming?
Maybe about 10, 11.
Oh. 11? Oh, we not start the soup yet.
Nobody's in it.
This is so cold. I have 2 layers. Yeah. And I'm still not sure if I can manage. Is there a glacier up there? Because so cold, I don't get it. Like, this is extremely cold. It's like Arctic cold.
No, it's not that cold.
Is it not that cold? Almost. The body has to adapt. You can do it! This is so cold. And much colder. So I'm just gonna stand in the water a little bit. Give my body time to adjust to know what's going on. It's like, what the hell is this girl doing in this cold water? My mask. Why? I wonder if the camera can manage the cold or it's just gonna fog up. This place is so beautiful. I don't even when last I've been in the water with those fins. I feel like nothing is happening. Where's my engine? Ah, this is nice. This is so beautiful. People, look at this. Aww. People is so beautiful. I love it. Jungle. This is so beautiful. We're good to go. That was an ice spot. One time my foot even get a cramp. I'm not exaggerating, it's really cold, but beautiful. Really, really beautiful. I don't even know how it gets so cold. Yeah. Anyway, it was well worth it. We have a nice bag full of busu. Yes, look at this. Nice. Yo, this soup will be wicked. I'm excited. Oh, this is so cool. And with my 2 layers, and I'm still complaining it's cold because it is really cold. So I don't know how, I mean, how you do it with your one t-shirt.
Just have to use it.
Yeah.
Almost like a barnacle.
Oh.
So, if you want fix and then thing there, 6 months. Any idea? We're going to see if I own 12 o'clock tomorrow then. Bad chef for the thing. Bad chef for the thing. So this is mermaid cooking, people.
Pre-prep. The name turn and go, huh? Make it boil up the youth.
seafood. Bussu and fish.
Real Portland Bussu soup. Nice. Wilkes in there too? Yeah. Nice.
Octopus.
Sea cat.
Yeah,
nice.
Right.
Banana bread, right? Nice. Banana bread.
Lemon beer.
Lemon
Yari. Yow.
People, this is beautiful.
Yeah. River grass.
Right? Yes, people. Happy birthday. We're here. Oh, people, look at this. This is so beautiful. Oh, my. I love it.
Yeah, nothing but nature.
This is so
Second shipwreck.
No. You're brave to go in here at night.
Nothing at all, no wrong. Very safe.
Huh?
It's beautiful at night.
Beautiful?
Straight like this.
Create a swirl.
Hit those rocks and whatever angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it causes a swirl.
Well, I guess if you can Google it. Yeah, as long as it goes.
No waves.
Yes, people. I love it. Selfie. Guys, come with my selfie.
The upper is still about peeps. Look.
Beautiful. It's wonderful.
There used to be rumors of a mermaid.
I can hear her. I was wondering who was talking to me.
I've never seen.
I was wondering who was talking to me. Magical. I love this place. Look at this. You can stand? You standing? No. People, it's cold. I'm really trying. I'm the mermaid after all. They'll be like, she ain't a mermaid.
Mermaid.
Doesn't even go in the water.
Rivermaid.
Ah, river mama. Woohoo! Alright, so go back before my foot cramp up again.
Yo. Honestly, we don't touch ground. I don't far.
Still deep. I was like, when I'm gonna touch land? Here we go. It's nice. Well, people, this was a beautiful day. Yeah. I made birthday bash, river bash, and soup. Yes. Perfect. Cameraman.